City lights are running down the chrome, engine cold, but the feeling's coming home. Every line, every curve, every shine, built to move, built to own the night. Slow reflections hiding on the paint. Street is quiet, but the bulls can't wait. One more look and I already know this machine was made to steal the show. Till the morning light. Oh, 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 driven by the night. Oh, 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 everything feels right. Oh, 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 let the city shine. This machine is one of a kind. Run around with the camera roll, every angle showing heart and soul. From the front to the back, side to side, every detail built with pride. Low and clean with the perfect stance, every reflection makes the shadows dance. No need to rush, let the moment stay, let the beauty speak in its own way. Driven by the night, under neon light, every single detail looking so alive. Driven by the night, just style in every line. One frame, one ride, a moment frozen in time. Driven by the night, under neon light, every single detail looking so alive. Driven by the night, everything feels right. Chrome and glass are glowing till the morning light. Driven by the one machine, one moment, one of a kind.